Even in the midst of chaos and change, we can find strength and resilience in the relationships we build with others. You can find purpose in everything. You can transform and grow into your best self. The natural world is full of wonders and surprises. You are appreciated for who you are. Believe in the possibilities ahead of you. Keep going, you are doing an incredible job. Embrace the uniqueness of those around you and learn from their perspectives and experiences. Nature's beauty uplifts us. Trust in the process of nurturing your own growth and potential. You can discover what sets your soul on fire and pursue it with all your heart. You have what it takes to feel proud of yourself. You can find your own role and use it to make a difference. The world is full of significance. Your experiences hold purpose, even if you can't see it right now. You have the strength and resilience to achieve anything you set your mind to. Cherish the gift of life by living in the moment. Like the seeds that grow into plants, nurture your passions and watch them bloom. Embrace your vision.